What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today you join me inside the new facelifted Mercedes Benz A-Class and we're gonna go for a quick POV drive. Now let's start off with some stats. Now this comes with a 1.3 liter turbo 4-cylinder motor and it makes 120 kilowatts, which is around 160 horsepower, and 250 Newton meters of torque. It's mated to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, and here's what I have to say. Now for some reason I've been driving like a hooligan in this car. I don't know what it is. The car just feels so edgy. The brake modulation is so beautiful and progressive, and yeah, I've been driving it like crazy. Like, it's a really enjoyable driving experience. Now I know that might sound a bit exaggerated because this is just a normal Mercedes Benz car, like it's an A200, it's not an AMG, but it really does feel so responsive. It feels so flat in the bands, and I just find myself doing some high speeds effortlessly, which is really insane. Now the car starts from this price, and with this price you have the base trim, which is the progressive, and that's what the price is for. That's what the base price is for, the progressive trim. Now for about 30,000 rands you can upgrade to the AMG line, which this car is. And it comes with the AMG steering wheel, it comes with the AMG exterior body kit. You also get the sport seats, you get the black roof liner inside, you get AMG floor mats, and yeah, it's really worth it with the AMG line. Now this one is also spec'd with the night package. You get some gloss black trims, especially around the window surrounds, the mirrors, and it does help the car look more stealthy and more sporty. So yeah, we're currently just cruising, and throttle response, yeah, the throttle response is another thing that I've noted on this car. It is so sharp. You literally just go on the throttle and instantly you're literally on boost effortlessly. Just going to drive into town. Ooh, this Fiesta is driving slowly. Oh, I was driving too quickly. You have the auto emergency braking. There's a red triangle that just flashed up on the screen. So if you don't respond, the car will automatically brake. Now I don't want to test that just in case it all goes wrong, but let's just trust that it'll do so if you were in a situation like that. Now this one doesn't have the technology pack, so you get the smaller driver screen, which does rob this interior a lot, because I mean, look at this, it looks really nice. It looks horrible with the smaller screen, so please do opt for the bigger screen. But Apple CarPlay looks really nice and crisp, as you can see right there, and it's full screen. Apparently with the pre-facelift you only got like half of the screen with Apple CarPlay. Now you get full screen, which is, yeah, very neat. So I'm currently low on fuel because I've been driving like a maniac. But yeah, man, like I said, there's just something about the driving experience in this. It feels so edgy and so eager to go. Fiesta is making way for me. Thank you. It just feels really eager to go. I don't know how to explain it. Now this has the older style kind of rear suspension setup. So the rear suspension on this car is not independent. And it's really, yeah, it's crazy considering this is a Mercedes Benz. But when you're driving, if you didn't know, like, you'd have no clue. It just drives like any other premium hatchback, really. Like, it's really comfortable. Wind noise and tire noise is really minimal. It feels the same as in like any other nice car I've been in, like a C-Class or VW Golf, a Polo. Like, it's not intrusive, it's doable. So I'm just gonna wait for this. Actually, let me take the left lane. So I want to boot it just a little bit, just a bit, so we can see the response on the gearbox. So let's wait for the cars in front to clear up, and then we're gonna go. Let's see. probably look like a maniac to the Ford Ranger that I just passed, but hey, I'm doing it for you guys. Just want to show you guys how the response is. Actually, let me switch to the rev counter screen so you can see how the needle moves. So I'll try to boot it again as we go up this road. We're just gonna go left up here. Get out of the way. Okay, let's see. Traction. So the road was a bit bumpy there. So I take this lane. Okay, let's try push it here. Okay, I'm actually not pushing now. It's a bit busy now because it's rush hour, but response. It's fast. It's really fast. Like, I kid you not. Like, it's fast. Literally. I don't know how in an A200, but it feels fast. But yeah, let's drive into this neighborhood. Go through some more residential type of roads. Oh man, this A4 is in the way. Gosh, but yeah, man, the experience on this has been beautiful. I think if the price is doable for you, like, trust me, the car is absolutely worth it. If you can live with the price and how much it would cost to own this vehicle finance wise, then it's really worth it. Like, everything about it is just so beautiful and solid. It's actually quite a stylish car. I mean, that just goes without saying. Okay, let's give it some beans here. Woo! Let's see how it takes this curve. And off you go. Man, fuel lights just popped up once again, and I think that's where I'm gonna end off the video. Now, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV, and do stay tuned for the full review, which is coming next after this POV video. Until next time, that's cheers from me.